What's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about why you aren't getting OnlyFans subscribers. If you like this content and you want more help or advice on selling explicit content online, make sure to follow and like. So let's get right into the video. Number one reason why you're not getting OF subscribers is because your marketing sucks. Everything is marketing, okay? You can't avoid marketing. Everywhere you go, it's marketing. You know, you walk down the street, there's marketing. You go online, there's marketing. There's no way you could avoid marketing. So everything is marketing. And if you suck at marketing, then you're not going to get sales, all right? So how can you improve? So if you have no idea what marketing is, go study it. And if you want the easy way, I'll let you know, okay? You could do it by studying other creators, okay? If you follow creators that are already good at marketing, then you just need to study, copy, paste, and do what they do. You know, follow them for a week, follow what they post on their stories, on their feed, how they promote it, if they go live or not, you know, all this stuff. Write it down on a notebook and apply it to your business. Another way that's easy to improve your marketing is by paying for ads or paying for traffic. Okay, this is the simplest way to get into marketing. You know, every social media app pretty much has it. Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, all these platforms have advertisements that you could pay for them. So, you know, spend a couple bucks. Don't be scared. When you pay for ads, it does the work for you. You don't have to do anything. You just pay and they market it for you. So if you want the easy way, pay for ads or study other creators. If you want the hard way and you want to master it, study and look up marketing, how it works. Because marketing isn't just for OF, it's for everything in general. So your marketing sucks. This is why you're not getting OF subscribers. The second one is you're not putting in the work needed. All right, so a lot of you just upload and you wait. You upload some TikToks, you upload some pictures, and you just wait. You expect things. That's what's wrong with you. You guys expect things to come to you. Okay, you need to take action. All right, if you post something and then people reply or react, you know, go interact with them. You know, send them a selfie. Go like their profile pictures or whatever it is. You know, go to their profile, like all their pictures, comment, whatever it takes, you know. You need to interact with the viewers, especially if you're just starting. If you're a nobody and you're just starting with this, you need to interact. When you start, you want to build a brand and you want to build some clients and you want people to be interested in you, all right? You need to create a schedule, okay? You're all over the place. Since you're self-employed and you have no one telling you what to do, you slack a lot. You don't have discipline, so you need to create a schedule. Stick to it, be consistent, just like a job. And that's the next one right here. You need to treat it like a job. You need to go in, clock in, put in the hours, whatever it is, put in the work, and you need to treat it like a job. Create a schedule, treat it like a job, recycle, repeat, and the work will pay off. Like right here, it says overtime pays off. In this industry, overtime does pay off. For example, you know, if this week you decide to go do an extra photo shoot, you decide to go live on TikTok, go live on Instagram a couple more times, you know, more than usual, you put in work more than usual, it will pay off because you're getting more marketing and you're just putting in more work, interacting, and it'll pay off. The other one right here is that your price is way too high, okay? Your content and price don't match. You might upload a good TikTok, you know, it goes viral. People go to your link, they go, and then boom, they see, wow, 30 bucks, 25 bucks. Okay, that's a little too high for the average person, okay? Remember that Pornhub is free, all right? So you need to convince people to go and subscribe. There's some people that are out there that will pay this, but if you want to get subscribers and build a fan base and stuff, okay, if you're getting a bunch of traffic, it's really good to put it low because you're going to get more transactions and conversions like that, okay? The lower price equals more transactions because you could target a wide majority of the people, you know. The average person could afford $5. The average person could afford $10, okay? But not everyone has 20, 30, 40 bucks to spend on a subscription. So another thing you could do is have a sale. Have a sale or discount on special occasions because when you have a sale, you know, it'll have more transactions and more conversions. So people, for example, if you have a lower price already, let's say it's $10. Okay, some people may hesitate, okay? It's still a lot for some people. They may hesitate. And obviously, you don't want people like that are cheap. But, you know, if you want to convert them into customers, if you want to convert them into buyers, the perfect way to do that is by having a sale or a discount, because they will take advantage of that. The last one is that your content sucks. Okay, simple. Your content sucks. You're not good. Your content is just low quality. It's not good. All right, you have low quality content. And if you have low quality content, you need to change it up. Figure out how to change it up, how you could improve. If it's the quality, get a better camera, you know. If you're shooting on an Android, you need to shoot on an iPhone. Okay, you need to have high quality content and take advantage of all these stuff out there, like lighting. You know, you need a ring light. If you're taking pictures in the dark, like, it's just not gonna make sense. People want high quality content, okay? Right here it also says that you need to find a niche and change it up every so often. Okay, so let's say this month you try this niche, and then the next month you do another one. You need to test them, and if one does better, then stick to the one that does better. You know, you'll get more results that way. You need to learn trends and music. One way you could do this is by following current artists, you know, trending artists right now. So there's a lot of trending artists right now. You could go follow their Instagram, you could follow their TikToks, follow them, and, you know, watch their stories. If they're gonna release a song next week, go on TikTok and make a sound, or find a sound for that preview of the song that they're gonna release next week, and make a TikTok over it right now. So when they release it next week, your TikTok that you posted last week is gonna be trending, and people are gonna view it because that song is trending right now. Okay, learn the trends and music, and you're gonna be successful. That's another way of marketing, but it also applies to your content. Okay, because your content sucks. Improve it, you know, figure it out. So these are 4 reasons why you're not getting OF subscribers. Improve these 4 and you'll be good, okay? If you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, because I will be making more videos about OF content on this channel. So go like, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.